Hi guys, so today I'm going to walk you through how to log into 31today.com, or as we like to call it, TOT, or TOT for short. So what you're going to do is up here in your web browser, you're going to type in www.31.com. That's going to be all typed out, and it will bring up this screen right here for you. And then what you're going to do is type in your consultant ID number and the password that you created when you joined the company. So then you're just going to click the sign in button, and that's going to take you to your dashboard. So a couple things up here that are really important. This little logo right here shows up on just about everything. If you ever want to get back to the dashboard, you can click on that. The scoop actually tells you anything important that we need to know at this particular time. So you can see that there's K group information in here, marketing materials, all different kinds of things we have in there. The Learn actually teaches you a little bit more about your business. You have business basics, how to book a party, what to do at a party, how to share the 31 opportunity with other people. And this is actually a fantastic section where you can learn from other people, other consultants in 31. Over here at support, this is going to be anything to support your business from the backside, meaning that for home office support or different things like that. So you can find out about business supplies, check the business update to see if anything is on low inventory, manage your subscriptions like your website and different things like that. So this is a great way to have your information in one spot. Down here, this does have the banner. It's a seasonal banner, and right now that's going to tell you a little bit about conference. Any information that has been given this week will be in this box right here. This is actually a snapshot of your month, so you can see what's going on in your month. Down here, if you are actually earning anything, if you're a leader or if you're in your Start Swell, you will see a dashboard for that. And then if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see your marketing material box. And this is going to be where you can download the current monthly special as well as the next month's special. If you want to look at all of the marketing material as a whole, you can click this. And you can see here that there's things for your current catalog season, your current months, anything that they may be doing some marketing for. Right now, of course, since it's early 2018, we've got the Studio 31 release, Summer Essentials Guide, Releasing the Baby by 31, and Globally Inspired. So those things will change based on what's going on with the company at that particular time. Up here in this little part right here is going to be a virtual office, and you're going to click that to do any of your orders or put in parties or things, and we will talk about that in a separate video. Up here, if you are a brand new consultant, I'm going to 100% recommend that you click on that so that you can find out some great information as well. So I hope that this was a good overview of what 31 Today is and how this can help you. Be sure to check out some of my other videos for information on virtual office, putting in parties, and different things like that. So have a great day.